Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get your Snapchat scores up. So guys, let's go to your Snapchat. After open this and click on your profile icon, you can see my Snap score is just 265. Now go back and click on this plus icon. Click on multi snap option and capture 8 streaks. Okay. Now click on send. Click on create shortcuts. Choose a emoji. Select the friends. Send it. So guys, that's it. That's how you can get your Snapchat scores up. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.